Deanne uses the large data set to investigate the daily total rainfall, R millimeters for Camborne. Write down how a value of 0 to 0.05 millimeters is recorded in the large data set. So that's recorded as a trace TR, a trace of rain. Deanne uses the data for the 31 days of August 2015 for Camborne and calculates the statistics. So we've got N, the sum of R and the sum of R squared. We need to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. So the mean is the sum divided by how many? So in this case, 174.9 over 31. So 174.9 over 31. And that is 5.64. The standard deviation is the square root of the square of the mean. No, the mean of the squares minus the square of the mean. The mean of the squares, sum of R squared over N minus the square of the mean, that's 5.64 squared. So that is the sum of R squared, 3,523.283 over 31 minus 5.64 squared. So we can just type that into the calculator. 3,523.283 over 31, take away answer squared. And that's 9.05. So that's 9.05 millimeters again. Deanne believes that the mean daily total rainfall in August is less in the south than the north of the UK. So we've got the mean in Lucas, and it's 1.72. Does this support Deanne's belief? So Camborne is the south, Lucas is the north. So the rainfall is higher in the south. So no, it does not. So Camborne is south of Lucas, and 1.72 is less than 5.64. So no, this does not support Deanne's belief. Deanne uses the large data set to estimate the proportion of days with no rain in Camborne for 1987 to be 0.27 to 2 decimal places. So 27% of the days have got no rain. Explain why the distribution binomial n is 14, probability of no rain 0.27 might not be a reasonable model for the number of days without rain in a 14-day summer event. So the rainfall is unlikely to be a constant. The mean will change, go up and down depending on the month. And we could also say that one day won't be independent of the next day. So if it does happen to rain in the 14-day summer event, the next day's got a higher chance of raining as well. So either of those two answers. So we could say the number of days, the proportion of days without rain will not stay consistent at 0.27. It may be higher or lower. And then the alternative answer would have been to say the chance of rain each day of the event will not be independent. So if it rains a day, it will be more likely to rain the next day.